Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple ID not working in iTunes Store. If you're using any iPhone or iPad or you are having the issue that your Apple ID is not working in iTunes Store, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to open up your settings. You have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Then scroll down, go for general, go for software update. You have to make sure that you haven't any update available here, or if you have any software update here, you have to try to update your software. And once you have updated your software, you have to retry, or you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or you have to make sure that you have selected this perspective region or country. So open the language and region, select region. You have to select the region respective to your debit card or credit card. And once you have that, you just have to go back, select date and time. You have to make sure that you have enabled this toggle to set date and time automatically. And once you have that, or you're still having the same issue, you have to go to main settings, tap on your profile, then tap on sign out option, and you have to sign out your account. Once you have signed out, you have to try to re-log into your Apple account. And once you have that, it will almost fix your issue. Or if it doesn't, you have to open up your general again, go for transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode, and it will make a reset into your network setting. It will delete all of your shared Wi-Fi passwords, so you must have to make a backup of them, and it will not delete any type of your data, so you can easily try that. And once you have that, it will almost fix your issue. Or if it doesn't, you just have to open up your browser, and here you have to simply search for Apple Sport. You have to search for Apple Sport here, then open the first website. Have to select your device. It might be your iPhone, iPad. So select the device from here. Then you have to simply scroll down and look for the Get Sport option. So here's the option of Get Sport. Simply tap on it, and here you have to select the issue you have. Simply select more, and from here you will get different options. You just have to select the issue which you are having. In my case, I'm going to select iTunes Store from here, and here you have to describe your issue. So once you have described your issue, you will get the official help from your iPhone or Apple Store. So in this way, you can easily fix your issue if you are having the issue that your Apple ID not working and then you're in your iTunes Store. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.